About 2 weeks now have gone by since I've started using the Save Club funnel system. And so far, every day has been income. Because at the end of the day, signups, awesome, and getting views, clicks, traffic. Because with the funnel system, if you want to buy views, clicks, traffic at whatever source, you can do that with the funnel. Because by the time you put your name and go through the process to see everything to join Save Club, any type of spam or bots or fake traffic, it's completely just boom. It's just cut off right there, okay? So if you're going to join Save Club, or if you already have joined Save Club, you can't buy traffic to go directly to the sign up Powerline landing page. Now I'm going to show you. So clubs, or the funnel system, going straight to Save Club, versus just doing your best to promote the link that you get when you're an affiliate, and it's only $60. I'm going to show you both. Okay, let's just do that right now. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Okay, ilovesaveclub.com, right below my little picture here. This is my link that I bought, and for free, GoDaddy, they forward it to this page right here. This is called the Powerline landing page. You get this page when you're an affiliate for 60 buckaroos. What most people will do next is watch this YouTube video. I always invite people to watch this video. I pretend that I don't do video, or maybe I'm shy and don't want to do what I'm doing now, waving my fingers here in my KISS shirt. If people watch this video, it's about 6 minutes, and it stars our founder, Charles Moy. I think it's good enough where people will make a decision. I want to be a member and an affiliate, or I'm just going to sit on the fence, maybe do some more research, or just go ahead and say, I'm out of here. I like that, because if you don't want anything to do with Save Club, I don't want to waste your time. And I know you don't want to waste my time. We don't want to waste both our time. All right, time is very valuable. So after watching this video, awesome, that is my touchdown. That's my home run. That is my final destination. And I hope you want to join Save Club. And if you want to, you can fill this form out right below. Hit that orange button. You're going to get an email. Open the Save Club email and join from there. Or one email a day for the next 30 days will come to you, and it'll promote this mighty fine club. And after 1 day, 5 days, 30 days, if you don't want anything to do with Save Club, just unsubscribe to that email. But if you're going to join, keep every email. Every single piece of email that you get from Save Club, make a little folder and save them. You can learn a lot from them. And if you are going to get my funnel system, you can use those emails from Save Club. Change them a little bit. You don't want to have an exact copy of those emails, but they're good. And you send those emails from Save Club to some other people, especially if you're paying for traffic, because if they're going directly into the funnel system, you can do that. But you can't have paid traffic go to this page I'm showing you now. This is called the Powerline landing page. So when you join, you're going to go right into my websites right here. And I'll show you all this in a little bit. So please don't pay for traffic and go directly into this page right here. And how you can tell is at the very top there's a blue line and it says Cory Draper's website. All right, I call it the capture page. I'm just trying to capture information to go to the next, the next phase. But behind the scenes, it's called the Powerline landing page. Now, if you're going to go ahead and click, let me just show you my Save Club funnels. Save Club funnels is my funnel system. And this is how I've been getting, let's see, I think I got 15 signups now over the last 11 days. So to average at least 1.5 people, like a half a person, someone like their legs walk in and say, hey, I'm going to join. Then the next day, maybe their upper half does. Okay, but anyway, to have 13, 14, 15 people join over the last couple of weeks is very exciting. Most of them, just due to my tracking on what works and what doesn't, I've signed up a ton of people with that first Powerline landing page. But right now, over the last couple of weeks, since I started heavily advertising the Save Club funnels link, it seems to work better. Now, it can change week after week. It depends when you're watching this video. Today is May 29th, so we're a couple days out from our grand boom official launch, but this is considered a pre-launch still. The last 30 days, we have been under pre-launch. So I'm promoting as much as I can per day, trying to build a nice team. So in the next couple days, June 1st, ready, set, go. We can all haul ass and save some money and make some money too. SaveClubFunnels.com. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, I'm going to go ahead, S-A-V-E, let's see, how do you spell Save Club? And then it's funnels with an S, and remember 2 N's. So if you look at your screen, this is my capture page with my funnel system. Exciting new opportunity just released. Watch the video. So what you'll do is just put in, let's all rock. This is an email I got in 1940, before black and white TV became color. Show me the video. Check this out. This is a 20-minute video versus the 6-minute video here. And like I said, they're both good. I promote both links at the same time now. I want you to watch this video with Charles. I want you to watch this one hosted by the Mighty Melvin. His name's Melvin, coolest name ever. I call him Mighty Money Melvin because he makes me money. For 20 minutes, he sits down and describes in greater detail Save Club. So thank you, Money Making Melvin. How about that? MMM. If you want to join Save Club, after you watch that 20-minute video, you click this red button and guess what? It goes right to the Powerline landing page. See how you can't really get spam, like spam or fake clicks? First of all, they don't like to fill out the official capture page. Number 2, they don't like to watch this video. Number 3, fake spam. They don't know, should I get the new funnel for $25 or should I join Save Club? It's too much. Too many loops to jump through. So if you're going to have paid traffic, you need to use this funnel system. It's the only funnel system, and it's dominating right now. Join Save Club if you'd like. $79.97. $60 for the affiliate fee, $20 for that month. And let's rock and roll. Now we're going to make some money, right? Come on. Now, if you need the funnel, this exact page, all this, and you can change it, because I altered a little bit, but 99% of what you see is what you're going to get for $25. So click it. Watch this video again. It's Money Making Melvin. He's going to talk to you a little bit. And then if you want to join the Save Club funnel, it's $25. Now, next month, if you're making money and it's doing a good job for you, then get $25 out and do it again. I'm not going to get rid of the Save Club funnel. It works too good right now. It's hot. Now, for $25, you're going to be invited to our special team. That's, Money Making Melvin. Some of us leaders that are in the top 10. Right now, I'm number 7 in the company. Out of eventually millions of people, I have no doubt I'm going to be in the top 5. And I want to get even more than that over the next 3, 6, 9 months or so, maybe by next year. But right now, I'm number 7 in the company. I'm real happy with that. Get our team training. When you click this, you're going to be invited to special invite-only Facebook groups where you can meet people, relax, tell everyone, hey, I'm new. I have 0 experience. And you guys can bond and go back and forth. You don't have to get on the phone, but you guys maybe chit-chat through Facebook, through the inbox. Maybe you want to share emails. Maybe you do want to go through WhatsApp and chat on the phone. There's a lot of cool ways, but you're going to meet some nice people. Don't be shy. You're going to meet people all over the world just like I have the last year or two. It's a lot of fun. Here, social media, done for you videos. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all the shorter ones like Reels and Shorts where people, like on TikTok, it seems they specialize in 15-second videos, maybe 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Yes, we have a whole bunch of videos, all different lengths, that promote Save Club for you. All you got to do is just get your own link, which you will get if you pay that $60, and wham, bam, you're in the money. You can do what I'm doing, and I want you to copy and do exactly what I'm doing. If you don't like to do YouTube videos like this, we have a lot of video, a lot of banners, a lot of pictures. That's the best part about joining the biggest team in Save Club. And we have the biggest leaders. It's not just one guru, 2 guru. Oh, there's a couple. Everyone's a guru. You know what? I don't know what I am. I'm a gonad. But anyway, I'm pretty good at this, believe it or not. And if you're watching my video, I sure appreciate it. I do about 5 YouTube videos a day, sometimes 10. If I find out any information, how to help you join or help people recruit, how can I help you get somebody just to click your link. I'm going to give you everything to the best of my ability through video. All free. You go to my YouTube channel and watch. And then when I make videos, I simply send them to my group of people, and hopefully they help you out. I'm a big fan of helping everybody. Even if you're not on my downline, I don't care. You can get this Save Club funnel. If you joined under someone else, that's fine. Do the best you can. And if you kind of get a brain fog and don't know what you're doing, just relax. The funnel system has a lot of great ideas. All people do is click watch that little video, click play. And then, this is important. I beg of you, I want you to join our team training. Okay? If you've already joined Save Club, it's okay. Every day, I sign up people left and right. I just had 3 more people this morning sign up. Thank you for that. And here's the best part about the funnel system. The company pays me $20 every time I get someone to sign up. I have well over $800 that I've made over the last couple weeks, and that's recurring. So next month, if I grow the team, which I have no doubt, in 2 weeks, if I've made 800, in theory, if everything goes well, if I can make $800 every 2 weeks, that's about 1,000 something bucks, right? And that builds recurring. Is it passive income? All right, pass it on. I like that word passive. You can pass that money right on over to me. But I think you get a darn good deal for $25 to have a full funnel system. You realize ClickFunnels is the biggest funnel system out, and they're 1 to 200 a month. Our funnel system, I think, is superior. It's easier, and it's awesome. And we're talking 25. And if I can get $25 too, thank you for joining. It's like buying me breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And every month, I can get recurring. Is it passive? Yeah, pass on the bucks. I love it. So thank you very much for looking at this video that I'm producing for you. I want you to get in the old Save Club family. I want you to save money like I have. I've saved a lot of money on own personal items, mostly tires for a couple of my vehicles, and a mattress, a couple car washes. That was my first 30 days. I'm officially on like day number 31 or 32 of joining Save Club. So right now I'm tabulating from today all the way from 30 days in the future to see how much I save. But is it more than 20? Because it's $20 a month to be a member of Save Club. And if I save another 50 or a couple $100, I ain't going anywhere. This is a very good opportunity just to save money, regardless of being an affiliate and earning money. But I want you to do both. It's only $60. Come on, that's a good deal. So, what do I do next? Well, let me just show you. I want you to go to both. Most people promote one link. I promote 2 because if I go fishing, I have 2 fishing poles. And right now, when I promote ilovesaveclub.com, it's awesome. And Save Club Funnels seems to put some salt and pepper and some beautiful seasoning on that juicy piece of Save Club. So look into both, okay? Guys, you can, my email address right there, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I think you can see it, right? Get a hold of me if I can help you. Inbox, Facebook too. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I don't know, maybe you're watching me right now. This is a YouTube video. Anyway, have a good day. Rock and roll all night, party every day. When I got my KISS shirt on, I feel like dancing, even early in the morning. So you guys take care. We'll see you soon.